In the previous video, we learned how to use a table view to display items in a list. And if you haven't watched that video and you want to watch, I'm going to leave the link in the description. And in this video, we're going to learn how to react to a click on the table view. So every time the user selects an item on that list, we want to display another view controller that's going to be related to the item you click. So let's get to that. To handle the clicks on the table view, we need to implement the protocol called delegate. So let's do this here, tableview.delegate equals self. In the same way we did with the data source, we have to extend to that protocol. UITableView delegate. Oops, tableview delegate. There we go. And the function that we wanna use to display the items is called didSelectRow. So we have here the row. So every time you click any item in the list, it's gonna call this function and it's gonna tell what is the index path. So with that, we're gonna know which item of your list the user clicked. So from here, let's see what the item is. Item equals items in the position of the index path dot row. And we want to get that item and display in our detail view controller. So let's instantiate our detail view controller. For that, we have to create a reference to the detail view controller, as we learned in the previous, some of the previous videos. Let's create the storyboard. Let's storyboard equals UI storyboard with the name of main, because that's the name of our storyboard. Yeah. And we can create our view controller. Let's view controller equals storyboard dot instantiate view controller with identifier. And if you remember, our identifier for our detail view controller is called detail VC, and it's the type of detail VC. And here we can set that item to our VC dot text equals item. And now, as we are using a navigation controller here, we can just present that using the navigation controller. Push view controller VC. And now, what is this? Okay, it's complaining because our view controller is optional. Let's use this just for now to create it. And now we have our list of items. If I click in any item here, let's say second item, so the detail view controller is going to be displayed that item. You can see if I go to the first one, it's going to show the first one and the third one. So that's how you handle any clicks on your table view using the delegate with the function didSelectRow at. Thank you so much.